Hello everybody, let us now learn about our MDC product. MDC means Mini Dynamic Catalog. Suppliers can start their online business through our IndiaMart MDC service. But before we start, I want to know that if you want to sell any product, what are the important things that you should know about your product? Like for example, consider that you want to sell a smartphone. To sell a smartphone, you must know the features of the phone, like the camera features, the memory features, the display features. Similarly, for IndiaMart MDC package, we will tell you the deliverables, the benefits of IndiaMart MDC package, and on the same time we'll tell you the expectation, what are the payment process and the documentation part. Now start with deliverables of MDC package. What we offer to supplier when he opts for IndiaMart MDC package. So IndiaMart and MDC package comes in two variants. First is MDC monthly and second is MDC annual. Monthly means if supplier want to pay us on month basis. Annual means if he pays the total amount in one payment. Okay, on the screen you can see top 4 benefits of MDC package. First is buy lead. As we have discussed in previous topics about two types of inquiries. One is direct inquiry and the other one is buy lead. So here we offer 7/10 buy leads. You can see on the screen 7/10 buy leads means 7 in monthly package, 7 weekly leads in monthly package and 10 weekly leads in annual package. Also we are offering one bonus lead to a supplier if supplier log into IndiaMart mobile app or portal. So in a week a seller can use maximum of 14 leads in monthly package and 17 leads in annual package. Second is higher listing on IndiaMart. Higher listing means paid supplier will get more visibility compared to free suppliers. In buyer journey topic also we have discussed about how buyers search on Google and IndiaMart show the list of suppliers. Third is more web and call inquiries. More web and call inquiry means direct inquiries. So let's discuss the reason why paid seller will get the more direct inquiries. Let's come to this topic. So we have discussed about higher listing. So if the paid seller will come on top of the search, the buyers will directly contact to the paid sellers which are coming on the top and hence they will get more direct inquiries. Fourth topic is pay with IndiaMart. Pay with IndiaMart is a payment gateway program that we provide to our suppliers to collect payments from buyers. So we will discuss all these features in details in the next part of the training program. Let's move to the next slide. Okay, so now we will discuss about the expectations from supplier. It is very important to clear the expectations with supplier while selling MDC. So there are 3 expectations. First one is daily buy lead consumption. So daily buy lead consumption will help seller to get fresh leads from IndiaMart. Also supplier will be able to avail the benefit of daily bonus login. Second one is 1 hour daily follow-up. 1 hour daily follow-up is required from seller side so that he can share the catalog to the buyers, quotation to the buyers and negotiate them with over the pricing part. Third is 6 months commitment. Means supplier will stay with IndiaMart for 6 months. Most of the supplier will put such objections on 6-month commitment or lock-in period. So you have to explain them by telling the story of how supplier has started his offline business. Like for offline business also he has initially invested a high amount. Return on investment took almost 2-3 years and he has to put daily 10 to 12 hours in his offline business also. Similarly, for online business also we suggest seller to give time to IndiaMart to expect proper ROI from IndiaMart.